Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about shift micro operations in computer architecture. So let us find the talk about shift micro operations in computer architecture. So there are three types of shift micro operations. First is logical shift, second is circular shift, third is arithmetic shift. In logical shift, we can have either left shift or right shift. Similarly, in circular shift, we can have either left shift or right shift. In arithmetic shift, we can have also left shift as well as right shift. Let us suppose that we are given the following bit string 010101 and we would like to shift it right. So we are talking about the logical right shift. So we are shifting the bits towards right one bit. So if I shift this 010101 towards right one bit, what will happen? See now. So this bit will be shifted one bit. So that's why this bit will be lost. This bit will be shifted here. So this will become 0. This bit will be shifted one bit right. So this will come here. Similarly, all the remaining bits will be shifted towards right one bit like this. Now, there will be one vacant position on this MSB. So this vacant position will be filled with 0 value. Right. So after shifting this 010101 one bit right, my bit string will be 001010. Also remember that whenever we are shifting the one bit right, logically it means that we are dividing the number by 2. So if we are shifting k bits, it means that we are dividing the number by 2 raised to the power k. So this is actually known as the logical right shift. Similarly, we can have the logical left shift. So in case of the logical left shift, we are shifting the bits one bit left. So this 0 will be shifted one bit left. So this will be discarded. This bit will come here. 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 And this bit will come here. Now we have a vacant position on this LSB, least significant bit, and that will be filled with 0 value. Right. So after shifting this 010101 towards left one bit logically, I will get bit string 101010 as a answer. Remember that whenever we are shifting logically left a bit string, if we are shifting k bits left, it means that we are multiplying the number by 2 to the power k. Right. Similarly, we will see what is this circular shift. So in circular shift also, we can have either left shift or we can have either right shift. First, we will see the right shift. Right. So in right shift, right, all the bits will be shifted one bit right. So this bit will be shifted right. This bit will come here. This bit will be shifted here. This bit will be shifted here. This bit will be shifted here. And this last bit will be shifted here. Now we have a vacant position on this side, MSB. Now this bit, LSB, will be transferred here. So this will become 1. So in case of the circular shift, you see that all the bits are circulated one by one, right? And the LSB will become the MSB after the shifting. So my result will be 101010 after the circular right shift. Similarly, now we see the circular lap shift. So we are shifting right, we are shifting left. This bit will be shifted here. 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 Now there is a vacant position on this particular LSB, right? So what will happen that this MSB will be transferred at to this point. So this will become 0. Now the MSB of this bit string will become the LSB of this bit string after the circular lap shift, right? So this is actually known as the circular lap shift operation. So you see that in both of the cases, you see that there is a circle, right? Now we have another shift operation which is known as a arithmetic shift. It can be left shift or it can be right shift. So first we see the arithmetic right shift operation. So let us suppose the bit string is same 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? So in this case the bits will be shifted one bit right. So this bit will be discarded. This bit will come here. This bit will come here. This bit will come here. This bit will be transferred here. And this bit will be transferred here. So in case of the arithmetic right shift, what will happen that this is now the empty space. So this empty space will be filled with the value in the MSB. So the same bit will also be copied here. So this will become 0. So if it is 1, so 1 will be copied here and 1 will be copied here, right? So in this way, the arithmetic right shift is different from the logical shift and the circular shift, right? Now we see the arithmetic lap shift operation. So in case of the arithmetic lap shift, we will do the same process as we have done for the logical lap shift operation. So this bit will be discarded. This bit will be shifted here. 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 This bit will be shifted here, right? And now there is a vacant position on this bit. This will be filled with 0 value, right? So you may see that logical lap shift and arithmetic lap shift, they are same. Now what is the difference between these two? In case of the arithmetic lap shift, we know that this is actually the sign bit. So the number is positive, but here we have a bit which is 1. It means that the number is negative. So if we have n number of bits in the number, it means that this is the 0th bit and this is n minus 2 and this is n minus 1, right? So in case of the arithmetic lap shift, there is a special 1-bit flip-flop VS that is set to A minus 1 XOR A minus 2. So if both bits are same, the VS is 0. If both bits are different, then the VS is set to 1. So when the VS value is set to 1, it means that there has been an overflow, and the overflow indicates that now the sign of the number has reversed. It means that if it was positive earlier, now it has become negative. If it was negative there before, it has now become positive. So this 1-bit value given by the 1-bit flip-flop VS indicates whether there has been a reversal of the sign of the number. Also remember that arithmetic shift operations, they are actually carried on signed numbers. It means that all the time the MSB indicates the sign of the number, right? So we see that there are three types of shift operations in computer architecture. Okay, and all these shift operations are carried out inside the CPU registers, and there are instructions in the CPU which carries out these operations in the computer system. For any query, you can write down in comment. Thank you.